Hi guys, it's Sebastian. I'm back with another video for you today. I'm in the city of Campbell, California. It's south of San Francisco, and I'm here with Twee, who has a store called FLORRA, and you can make custom fragrances here. So I'm speaking with Twee about how you can come here and do your own custom fragrances, blending and everything like that, plus let you know that Twee's going to be participating with her brand at our show, ScentFest SF in San Francisco at the Fort Mason. So Twee, tell us about FLORRA.
Sure. So we are a custom fragrance blending bar, and what we offer are 47 scent notes in our library. Everything here is clean. We actually use essential oils like rose damask, jasmine, grandiflorum, and you basically start with a foundation. These are fully composed blends that you work with, and you build upon it to create a beautiful scent that's all your own.
That's awesome. So we have 4 fragrances here. These are not fragrances to where they're just the bases or the,
Yes.
what do you call them?
They're called fragrance foundations. That's what we're calling them. And we actually just launched them this week. We're bringing them to ScentFest, and it's going to be one of the first places where you can like smell them, discover them, and actually work and play with them. So we have 4. We have this is Fleur de Lune, which is a beautiful tuberose, jasmine, orange flower, so just a lot of white flowers, very sultry. Then we have cashmere woods, which is a really nice like skin musky scent, very cozy. And we have green linden, which is just a bright green. It has green leaf, it has grass, and a beautiful linden and tulip. And then we have this one is our most fun, is cereal milk. And it just smells like a bowl of creamy cereal. So you're gonna have to come and smell that.
So as I was smelling through these foundations, I enjoyed cereal milk a lot. I've been into like tonic fragrances a lot lately, followed by this green one, the linden one. It's very green, but also kind of like a florist shop with all the green stems in there. So it's really awesome. This one seemed very base heavy, but very musky with the cashmere. And then we've got the white floral notes. So are we gonna do a blending ourselves right now?
Yes, we are. So you're gonna choose one of the foundations, and then we're gonna start building on it. So we're gonna choose also a supporting note and 2 accent notes. And the beautiful thing about cereal milk, for example, is you can like take it in so many directions. You can do tobacco and black pepper and just make it kind of like more grown up, or you can just have fun with it and do strawberry, peach, cocoa. So it's gonna be really fun, and you're gonna make it just all your own.
All right, so tell us a little bit more. So if I went with cereal milk, what are the other terms you use to describe the other ingredients or notes we're adding?
Yes, so we're gonna add a supporting note, which is the thing that's gonna actually shift the direction of it and kind of shape it. And then accent notes kind of add nuance, details, texture, and personality.
Now I get it.
Yes, so we're gonna start with one of the foundations, and you're gonna make it as much of like your own as possible.
Okay, so I think we are gonna go with cereal milk.
Awesome.
And I do like the idea of tobacco because I really love tobacco and fragrances. So let's go in that direction.
Okay.
So that is the accent note or no, this is the foundation.
Yes, that's foundation. The supporting note is going to be the thing that shifts the direction of it. So maybe tobacco, because you want to make it more, grown up and a little darker.
Yeah.
So what you do is you're going to spray the cereal milk onto this strip.
Okay. This is delicious by itself, by the way. And I love that name, cereal milk. It's yummy. You can literally smell the doughy parts of the cereal with the milky parts. Slightly vanillic, but warm and sugary. That's delicious.
Okay, awesome. And then what you're gonna do is now we're gonna take one of our testers, so this is tobacco, and we're gonna roll it onto a strip as well. And
so then we smell them together.
Smell them together.
Okay.
And I feel like it's a very magical process because it just changes the scent profile completely.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Tones down the sweet milkiness. It adds a bit more intensity, a little more darkness.
It does.
And I like what you said, grown up. Yeah, I get it. I'm assuming there's honey in the tobacco, right?
There's honey in the cereal milk.
Wow, it brings out the honey in the cereal milk because it wasn't there before.
And a little bit of caramel too.
Okay. I like where this is going. So this is a nice start.
That's a supporting note.
Yep.
So now you kind of have a nice blend, like that's actually wearable on its own.
Totally.
But you're gonna choose 2 accent notes, and what it does, it just adds more texture, more nuance, sometimes like a little bit of contrast or surprise. And you can be free to pick, but we have, you know, things like cardamom, clove, black pepper, vanilla.
I think I'm gonna go with the clove direction.
Okay.
Because clove and tobacco are a great combo. So now I'm smelling the 3 together.
What is that?
Spices it up. So we're almost finished here blending. This is 3 different ingredients, but we need 1 more.
So you need just 1 more. You can go extra spicy with some black pepper, cardamom. You can soften it with vanilla, or you can just do something fun like violet. But it's up to you.
Do you have anything fruity?
Cassis, we have pear, bergamot. We have, you know, a lot of citrus, pink grapefruit, sweet orange.
I'm gonna go the other way. I'm gonna go with vanilla.
Okay.
I was thinking of
that's
dried
good.
fruits, but that might not be available. But I'm just thinking tobacco vanille from Tom Ford.
So this is vanilla. So now you just have this really cohesive,
Ooh.
smooth but spicy.
Yes, but very milky also.
So our vanilla has some tonka in it. That's why it's has
okay.
a little like salty.
Oh, I think I know. I like where this is going, for sure. I can still pick up the cereal in the cereal milk and the milkiness, but now we've added depth and more like
More personality.
yeah. And I'm loving the clove. The clove is actually now reminding me of tobacco vanille. So we kind of went with the milky tobacco vanille direction.
I love that.
Yeah. What happens after these 4? Okay, like I'm here, I'm doing this, and I'm satisfied with what I'm smelling. What happens next?
So 2 things happen next. So we actually start blending it for you. And in the meantime, you think of a name for it. So you get to name all of your blends. Usually it's something that reflects your personality or something that means a lot to you. And then we package it, bottle it, put a label on it for you.
I'm gonna go with Tobacco Latte.
Oh, I love that.
So if I'm not happy with this mix, what do I do next?
Well, if you don't like your mix, so people spend over an hour here. You get to kind of swap out all the scent notes, go through a whole scent library. You can make it fruity if you want, but it's your time to kind of play and discover with the scents.
It's very unique how I'm smelling it, I'm not picking up any honey, then all of a sudden the honey
The honey
appears.
just came. That is really interesting.
Wow.
Yeah. Can I smell it too?
Yeah, it's a great combo. Tobacco Latte.
And it does smell like a latte. It's still that really sweet and creamy, very milky, but the tobacco just makes it so grown up and
It
kind
does.
of cologne forward.
Yes.
So should we blend it up?
Yeah, let's blend it up. All right, so we've got, what do you have, all the ingredients or the accords?
Yes. So we have all the accords, including cereal milk, and we have clove, tobacco, and vanilla. And I'm gonna start dropping in the drops for the blend. We have a formula for blending this so that it comes out really well balanced.
So when somebody comes in to do this, you do the actual dropping, right?
We actually have 5 staff members that will help with the dropping and the blending and the labeling.
Otherwise, we might have very shaky hands and spill everywhere.
Right, I don't think I'd be able to do all of the blends that we do here.
So then, how do you know how much you have to put in here?
We have a special formula. We worked with an artisan perfumer who actually designed all of these accords for us.
Okay.
And we set up a whole system so that every blend that comes out of the store is really, really well balanced.
I see.
It's gonna take a while. It's okay.
We can fast forward or
Okay.
watch it in speedy motion. So I'm assuming the cereal milk is the most dominant, right? Is that how it is?
Yes, this one has the most drops in the blend.
Is it also all base notes, the cereal milk?
It is primarily base notes. Yeah, it's a lot of lactonic. There's vanilla, caramel, honey. So it's a very base forward. That's why we're kind of spicing it up with all the nice heart notes. So since the tobacco is the supporting note, this one gets fewer drops than the cereal milk, but more drops than the accent notes.
All right, so you have the tobacco inside the bottle as well. You said it smells great.
Smells already really great. So now we have the 2 accent notes, which, like I said, we just have a little bit of each because they're just for kind of like nuance and texture. So a little bit of the clove.
The clove is what's reminding me of tobacco vanille. I think tobacco vanille also has a little bit of ginger, but it's the clove that really stands out, blended with the tobacco and the vanilla. So, and then we have the vanilla.
Now we just have the vanilla, and vanilla I feel like just kind of gives it all like a smooth
rounds it out.
Yeah, it connects everything together.
But we already have vanilla in the cereal milk, right?
Yeah, so this is just an extra touch of vanilla.
Okay. And then you also add alcohol?
Yes, so now we have our organic cane alcohol. So we just add that to the bottle.
Wow.
And this is, our customers love seeing this. It's just nice and beautiful.
So how did you know that you had to go to that certain point of the oils?
Well, we have a specific number of drops.
Ah, okay.
So.
And then how long does this take to macerate and maturate?
We tell our customers that it takes about a week or two.
Okay.
To make it really, really nice smelling. All the scents are integrated. So there you have it.
And this is a 30 ml?
This is 30 mLs.
Okay.
And now we're going to finish it off with the personalized label.
Okay.
And you're naming it Tobacco Latte, which is so fun. Okay. And here you have it.
Wow.
Tobacco Latte.
Can we smell it?
Oh, definitely. So let's do this.
I'm excited.
I'm excited. So here's your scent strip. Go ahead and spray it on.
Okay. Mmm. Yeah, it's kind of, the cereal is there, but now we've added the depth with the tobacco, the spice with the cloves, and then warm roundness with the vanilla. That's going to be amazing. It's very milky, and also the honey is coming out.
Yeah.
Delicious. That's very delicious.
Oh. And it really smells like a latte.
Yeah.
It smells like something you can drink.
It's so good.
I love it.
Okay, so if somebody came to do something like this, how much would this cost?
So this is $85 for a whole custom experience, and you get to go home with a personalized labeled EDT. That's 30
So
mils.
this is eau de toilette?
Yes.
Okay. Do you do eau de parfum and everything like more intense?
We don't do eau de parfum, but we are bringing some to the show. So like we have our own signature blends. This is cereal milk summer peach, and it's cereal milk with peach and cardamom. So we're going to be bringing that as retail products as well. And I think we're actually going to bring your blend, Sebastian. We're going to display it and just have people smell it.
Okay.
I think that's going to
be fun.
Yeah.
So then you're going to do something special at the show. What do you plan on doing?
So we're going to be offering this whole custom experience. It's going to be shortened. Obviously, it's going to be maybe 20 minutes long, but you get to walk through the whole thing. We start with a nice personality quiz. We introduce you to all the foundations, and then you start blending. We're going to set up some seats, and it's going to be like a mini blending bar.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Blending bar.
We're
I like
excited.
that. And by the way, did I tell you that FLORRA is my mom's name?
Oh, I think you did. I think you did.
But she spells it with one R.
One R.
So you added a second R.
We added a second R.
Yeah.
But that's lovely.
Yeah.
Beautiful name.
Yeah, it is very beautiful. So then give us the address, and you're in Campbell. Is this downtown Campbell?
Yes. So we're right downtown Campbell, California. It's 350 East Campbell. And the name is FLORRA with 2 R's.
All right. And I think that's it. Do you have anything else? Do you sell anything else here? Any other, like, can you buy essential oils, or is it just a blend?
Yes. So this is a blending bar. We actually started off as a self-care boutique. So here you can find anything from like artisan soaps to essential oils to just beautiful candles. So yeah, check us out at shopflorra.com.
All right. Well, thank you so much. I can't wait to wear Tobacco Latte. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to come to ScentFest SF to meet Twee and do a custom blending at the show. I think it's going to be great. You can make your own version of Tobacco Latte or something totally different. Other than that, guys, thanks so much for tuning in today. If you have any questions or comments, please list below. Please like the video, please share it, and I'll be back with more videos very soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.